Oh, this problem. This one is evil. Honestly, I looked at this and I initially thought they were asking to do a whole mess of math, and this is a 25-minute, 17-question test, so you're looking at a minute to a minute and a half for every problem. You can't be doing a problem that takes forever in a day, and this looked at first glance to me like one that would take forever in a day, but oh no, they're being tricky. It's actually super easy. Oh man, it's evil. Okay, so ax, without any further ado, ax plus by times cx minus dy. In the expression above, a, b, c, and d are non-zero constants, and a times d equals b times c. If a times c equals 18 and b times d equals 50, what is the value of the coefficient of the xy term when the expression is multiplied out and the like terms are collected? My immediate thought was trying to figure out, okay, is there a way, if AC is 18 and BD is 50, and I know AD is BC, is there a way I can figure out? And I was writing factors of 18 and factors of 50 and trying to, oh my goodness. And I'm like, this can't be right. This cannot be right. And it was not. Here is the way to do this. And this is one of those problems that kind of takes a little moment of epiphany. And if you have it, you're going to get this very quickly and very easily. And if you don't, you're probably going to be staring at it and tearing your hair out. Okay, so I'm going to multiply these, but to really make it clear, I'm going to write my variables in green. Green meaning go, they can change. So my x's and my y's, I'm going to write in green. And then my a, b, c, and d, because they are constants, they're not going to change. I'm going to write them in red. Hopefully keep this a little clearer here. All right, so first, ax times cx. So we have a times c, x times x is x squared. Then I have my outside, ax times negative dy. Okay, so I have negative a times d, and my little variables, x times y. Then I have my inside, by times cx. So that is bc times xy. And then last but not least, I multiply my last ones together, which is by times negative dy. So that is a negative bd, and then the y's multiply together to get y squared. All right, so I have ac x squared minus ad xy plus bc xy minus bdy squared. And things are about to get really super simple because look at what they gave us originally. They said AD equals BC. Honestly, that AC 18 and BD 50, I can put those in there, but they don't really matter. All that matters is this right here, AD equals BC, because look at what's going on in the middle, because they're asking, again, they're asking the value of the coefficient of the XY term. This in the middle, this is what they want to know. They don't care about those. They just want to know what this one is. And we've been told A times D equals B times C. Put any numbers you want in here. Let's say A times D is 5. That means B times C is 5. What happens if we put 5 in for AD and 5 in for BC? It cancels out. -5, +5, they cancel out. Any number in the universe that you put in here, any non-zero constant you put in here, this is going to work. So let's say AD is, 572. So that means BC is 572. Okay, well, we're placing AD here. So that's 572. We're placing BC here. So that's 572. -572 plus 572 is 0. It's always going to be 0. That's it. It's gone in the middle. 0. That's our answer. So it's like, I'm just back at, there we go. AD and BC, they're going to cancel out because AD equals BC. Always. 0. 0 is my coefficient for that middle term. If you would like to plug in the AC and the BD, you can. It doesn't really mean anything. If AC is 18, then that means this right here is 18. And if BD is 50, they tell us that, so that means that is 50. Yeah, I mean, it makes it look a little prettier. But it doesn't change anything because, again, all they want is what is the value of the coefficient of the xy term in the middle. And no matter what you do, these two are going to cancel out because AD is BC. So the coefficient on that term is 0. I have a love-hate relationship with this problem. I mean, it's clever. I think, from a math geek's perspective, it's kind of cool, but I also think it's kind of mean. I just do. It's just kind of a mean one to end on to make you go, what? What is going on? But that's it. You made it to the end. Congratulations. If this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.